Snyder opened the first In-N-Out Burger in Baldwin Park, California. Little did he know that this small drive-through joint would eventually become a nationwide sensation. Harry Snyder was a man with a passion for creating exceptional burgers. He believed in using the freshest ingredients and preparing them with care. This commitment to quality was evident from day one and quickly became the foundation of In-N-Out's success. What truly sets In-N-Out Burger apart is that it remains a family-owned business, with Harry Snyder's principles and values deeply ingrained in every aspect of the company. Even as the chain expanded, they never compromised on the core principles that made them great. In-N-Out's unwavering dedication to its legacy is also reflected in its limited menu. Unlike other fast food giants that offer an overwhelming variety of options, In-N-Out focuses on doing a few things exceptionally well. This allows them to maintain consistency and ensures that every burger lives up to their high standards. Over the years, In-N-Out Burger has amassed a dedicated fan base that spans generations. People are willing to wait in long lines just to get a taste of their juicy, made-to-order burgers. It's not just about the food, it's about the experience, the nostalgia, and the sense of community that In-N-Out Burger has fostered. So, as we continue our journey into the inner workings of In-N-Out Burger, remember the rich legacy that started it all. Join us in the next section as we explore the secret behind those mouth-watering ingredients that make In-N-Out Burger truly one of a kind. Welcome to the heart of In-N-Out Burger's success, their commitment to using only the finest quality ingredients. Every element of an In-N-Out Burger is carefully chosen to ensure a tantalizing and unforgettable taste experience. Let's dive into the key components that make these burgers so exceptional. First and foremost, let's talk about the buns. In-N-Out Burger takes pride in their freshly baked buns, which are soft, fluffy, and perfectly toasted. They source their buns from local bakeries, ensuring that each one arrives at the restaurant still warm and ready to be part of a masterpiece. Now let's move on to the star of the show, the beef patties. In-N-Out Burger uses only 100% pure beef patties, free of additives, fillers, or preservatives. These patties are made from fresh, never frozen, high-quality beef. The meat is carefully ground in-house to maintain its freshness and flavor. To complement the juicy patties, In-N-Out Burger insists on using the finest cheese. They melt slices of American cheese over the patties, giving each burger that irresistible, creamy goodness. It's the perfect combination of flavors that keeps customers coming back for more, but it doesn't stop there. In-N-Out Burger knows that the produce plays a vital role in creating the ultimate burger experience. The lettuce, tomatoes, and onions used in their burgers are always crisp, fresh, and bursting with flavor. They have rigorous quality control measures in place to ensure that only the best produce makes it into their burgers. One fascinating aspect of In-N-Out Burger is their commitment to supporting local farmers and suppliers. They have long-standing partnerships with farms in the regions where their restaurants are located. This not only helps maintain the freshness and quality of their ingredients, but also supports the local economy. From the moment you bite into an In-N-Out Burger, you can taste the difference that quality ingredients make. It's this attention to detail and dedication to sourcing the best that sets In-N-Out Burger apart from the competition. Now that we've discovered the secrets behind the exceptional ingredients, we're ready to move on to the art of burger assembly. Join us in the next section as we reveal the meticulous process behind creating an In-N-Out Burger masterpiece. Welcome to the culinary canvas of In-N-Out Burger, where every burger is crafted with precision and passion. The art of burger assembly at In-N-Out is a well-choreographed process that ensures each burger is a masterpiece of flavor and presentation. Let's take a closer look at how these mouth-watering creations come together. It all begins with the perfectly grilled beef patties. Each patty is cooked to perfection, capturing the ideal balance of juicy tenderness and a savory char. The skilled grill masters at In-N-Out know exactly how long to cook each patty, ensuring that it's neither undercooked nor overdone. Next comes the precise layering of the ingredients. From the fresh lettuce and ripe tomatoes to the thinly sliced onions, every component is thoughtfully placed to enhance the overall taste and texture of the burger. Each bite is designed to provide a harmonious blend of flavors that excite the taste buds. Let's not forget about the famous In-N-Out sauce. This secret blend of ingredients adds a burst of tangy, creamy goodness to the burger. The sauce is applied with just the right amount, ensuring that it enhances the flavors without overpowering them. To complete the burger, the perfectly melted American cheese is placed atop the patty, sealing in all the deliciousness. The warm toasted bun cradles the masterpiece, providing a sturdy yet soft foundation for the incredible flavors to shine. The final touch? A neat wrapping to ensure the burger remains intact and ready for its lucky recipient. In-N-Out takes great pride in presenting their burgers with care, knowing that the first bite is an experience that should be savored. The art of burger assembly at In-N-Out Burger showcases the skill, attention to detail, and dedication of their employees. It's this commitment to excellence that ensures every customer receives a burger that surpasses their expectations. Now that we've witnessed the precise artistry behind the burger assembly, let's venture behind the scenes and uncover some intriguing secrets about In-N-Out Burger's operations. Join us in the next section for an exclusive peek into the hidden world of In-N-Out Burger. Welcome to the hidden world of In-N-Out Burger, where secrets await behind the kitchen doors. In this section, we'll peel back the curtain and reveal some intriguing behind-the-scenes operations that make In-N-Out Burger truly unique. Did you know that In-N-Out Burger has a 2-patty limit? This means that the standard menu allows for a maximum of 2 patties per burger. This policy ensures that the focus remains on quality and allows for consistent cooking of each patty to perfection. In-N-Out Burger also maintains a strong emphasis on simplicity. Their menu may seem straightforward, but it's precisely this simplicity that allows them to focus on what they do best, creating delicious, classic burgers. It's about perfecting the basics rather than overwhelming customers with endless options. These behind-the-scenes secrets are just a glimpse into the careful operations that In-N-Out Burger follows. Their dedication to quality, simplicity, and freshness shines through in every bite. Now that we've unveiled some of their secrets, let's explore the customer experience and the unique culture that makes In-N-Out Burger more than just a fast food chain. And there you have it. So, if you find yourself craving a taste of perfection, head over to your nearest In-N-Out Burger location and experience the magic for yourself. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more behind-the-scenes adventures. Until next time, stay hungry and keep exploring.